As a rational human being, ask yourself this question. What's the point of having the highest quality premium content at your fingertips if you know you're going to pay the wrong price for it? What's the point of having content here, there, and anywhere if you're paying a ridiculous price for it? Consumers in large part have woken up to the game, and it's really no secret anymore. Everyone in America hates cable. Hell, even cable hates cable. There's not one American you can ask who doesn't want to see a complete change to Hollywood's cable system. A complete change like they got, by the way, with iTunes and their music system, or more recently, Uber and their taxi system. But what's been holding back that complete revolutionary change from Hollywood is that no one is focused on solving the core problem with the system. Do you even know what that problem is? You think it's content, quality, delivery, or personalization? No, it's none of that. It's actually pricing, how content or content bundles can be priced and delivered to consumers. Here's another way to see why it's pricing. Why do you think we all like new platforms like Netflix and YouTube? Why do you think these platforms have done so well at eating into cable TV's mindshare and grabbing our attention? Is it because they have better quality content, better personalization, or better delivery? No, it's about the same, or even way less. What we like about these new platforms is that they have better prices. Prices that match their viewing experiences, and prices that a majority of us would actually like to pay. They're able to rewrite the rules of content in the 21st century because they've offered a better price. It's the price. So the only real question now is, well, is that the best we can do? Are those the only two types of prices that should exist for all content and content creators? Of course not. We can do better. We can do way better. It's time to go further than what's been done before and build the platform that writes the ultimate rule. That rule is that any content creator or provider can price correctly. That means anyone from any walk of life who makes content or bundles content can have an equal opportunity to price what they have to offer in a way where you will actually pay for it. If that price has to be 25 cents, 5 cents, 3 cents, or even way less, they should have a system that allows that opportunity and price so you can enjoy it and millions of others can too. Because you'd pay that right alongside with the new big boys. That's what the ultimate replacement to cable TV looks like. And that's what we're building with some sense.